broccoli. B, B, broccoli. B, B, broccoli. B is for broccoli. C is for carrot. C, C, carrot. C, C, carrot. C is for carrot. D is for daikon. D, D, daikon. D, D, daikon. D is for daikon. E is for eggplant. E, E, eggplant. E, E, eggplant. E is for eggplant. F is for fennel. F, F, fennel. F, F, fennel. F is for fennel. G is for garlic. G, G, garlic. G, G, garlic. G is for garlic. H is for horseradish. H, H, horseradish. H, H, horseradish. H is for horseradish. I is for iceberg lettuce. I, iceberg lettuce. I, iceberg lettuce. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno. Hey, TJ, jalapeno. J, TJ, jalapeno. K is for jalapeno. K is for kale. K, K, kale. J, J, kale. D is for kale. L is for leek. L, L, leek. L, L, leek. L is for leek. M is for mushroom. M, M, mushroom. M, M, mushroom. M is for mushroom. N is for napa cabbage. N, napa cabbage. N, napa cabbage. N is for napa cabbage. O is for okra. O, O, okra. O, O, okra. O is for okra. P is for potato. P, P, potato. P, P, potato. P is for potato. Q is for quinoa. Healthy veggie food. Q, Q, quinoa. Q is for quinoa. R is for radish. R, radish. R, radish. R is for radish. S is for spinach. S, spinach. S, spinach. S is for spinach. T is for tomato. T, tomato. T, tomato. T is for tomato. U is for ugly vegetable. Fun learning word. U, ugly. U, ugly. U is for ugly. V is for vegetable. V, vegetable. V, vegetable. V is for vegetable. W is for watercress. W, watercress. W, watercress. X is for siga. A healthy plant food. X, siga. X, sigua. Y is for yam. B, yam. B, yam. I is for yam. Z is for zucchini. Z, zucchini. Z, zucchini. Z is for zucchini. A is for archer fish. Archer fish. Archer fish sprays water with amazing aim. B is for blue tang. Blue tang. Blue tang swims happily in the blue sea. C is for catfish. Jackfish. Catfish has long whiskers to explore. D is for discus. Discus. Discus is bright, round and beautiful. E is for key. Yellowtail swims swiftly through the sea. Z is for zebrafish. Zebrafish has bright black and white stripes. Sea fish phonics, sing along with me. Learning letter sounds is fun in the sea. A is for apple. Apple. Hey, apple. A is for apple. B is for banana. B, banana. B, banana. B is for banana. C is for cherry. C, cherry. C, cherry. C is for cherry. D is for dragon fruit. D, dragon fruit. D, dragon fruit. D is for dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. E, elderberry. E, elderberry. E is for elderberry. F is for fig. F, fig. F, fig. F is for fig. G is for grapes. G, grapes. G, grapes. G is for grapes. H is for honeydew. H, honeydew. H, honeydew. H is for honeydew. I is for ice apple. Ice apple. Ice apple. I is for ice apple. J is for jackfruit. J, jackfruit. J, jackfruit. J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. K, kiwi. K, kiwi. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. L, lemon. L, lemon. L is for lemon. M is for mango. M, mango. M, mango. M is for mango. M is for nectarine. N, nectarine. N, nectarine. N is for nectarine. O is for orange. O, orange. O, orange. P is for orange. P is for pineapple. P, pineapple. P, pineapple. P is for pineapple. Q is for quince. Q, quince. Q, quince. Q is for quince. R is for raspberry. R, raspberry. R, raspberry. R is for raspberry. S is for strawberry. S, strawberry. S, strawberry. S is for strawberry. T is for tangerine. T, tangerine. T, tangerine. T is for tangerine. U is for oogly fruit. U, oogly fruit. U, oogly fruit. U is for oogly fruit. V is for volvanga. V, volvanga. V, volvanga. V is for volvanga. W is for watermelon. W, watermelon. W is for watermelon. X is for sigua. X, sigua. X, sigua. X is for sigua. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit. Yeah is for yellow passion fruit. Z is for zucchini. Z, zucchini. Z, zucchini. Z is for zucchini. A is for archer fish. Archer fish. Archer fish sprays water with amazing aim. B is for blue tang. Blue tang. Blue tang swims happily in the blue sea. C is for catfish. Jackfish. Catfish has long whiskers to explore. D is for discus. Discus. Discus is bright, round and beautiful. E is for electric eel. Electric eel. Electric eel can make a tiny shop. F is for flounder. Flounder. Flounder hides flat on the sandy seabed. G is for duck. Tetra, neon tetra, sparkles with bright blue colors. O is for orange, Ruffy, orange Ruffy, orange Ruffy lives deep in the ocean. P is for piranha, piranha, piranha swims with its school of fish. Q is for queen, angelfish, Q, queen, queen jellyfish, queen jellyfish, shines with royal colors. R is for remora, remora, rides along with bigger sea animals. S is for seahorse, seahorse curls its tail around sea plants. T is for triggerfish, triggerfish, triggerfish has strong teeth. 4